What's up guys, Soumyan here back with another video. In this video I will tell you some tips and tricks of finding square roots very easily. Just see some examples, and by examples I will tell you very in easy manner, I can say. Suppose I want to find the square root of number, a familiar number, you may be knowing this one, and I will say 676, some number which I really know in a good manner, just for making things little bit simpler, I want to say. Just for doing that, you have to just mug up or remember the squares of numbers from 1 to 10, or many big numbers, a little bit of big numbers. For up to this, we can say that up to 1 to 10, you have to remember. Then how we can able to find? Let's see that, guys. So here we have 98 over here. Just divide this all numbers into two parts. Here I can divide into 9801 for 3 digits, 676, 576, 44, and 1. In this manner I can able to do. Okay guys, so here my 98 comes, 98 is less than 100 and it is greater than 81, so we can say that 98 is in between the square of 9 and the square of 100. So I can able to say that our 99 our 98 is in between these two numbers, so we have to take the square of the little of the smaller one, you can say. So our smaller one is 81, just take 9 as their number, and for the next digit you have to check out these two. From these two we can able to see that I have 01 at the last digit. 01 means possibility is either 9 or 1 in the last digit, but how can able to guess which one is correct? For getting 9 and 1, how can able to say? So for saying that, just do one thing over here. Just put this 9 is the digit which you have already known. So just multiply this 9 into the number 9 plus 1. So which is equal to 90. And if this 90 is less than 98, then you have to take the number bigger one. Or we can say that if 98 is here, 98 is greater than this number, we have to take the bigger number. If 98 is smaller than this number, then you have to take 1. But 98 is greater, so I have to take 9. So this is 99. You can do with the calculator if it is correct or not. Check out guys, check out. And in this case also same thing happens. So 6 comes between the square of 2 and 3 square. So we have to take 2, as I've already told you, we have to take the smaller one. Then we have to do the next thing is 2 times 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So we can say that 6 is that. So already I have told you that if I have the number 6 which is equal to 6, or we can say that equal to 6 or greater than 6, this number we have to take the number which is already I have told, which is more than that. If this number is less than that, we have to take 4. Means 6 is there, means 2 possibility, as I've already told here 4 and 6 are the 2 possibility. Let's check out this question for getting that answer into an account, because these two look similar. So here we can say that 6 comes to the last digit, so my answer is 26. In this case I have 5 also comes in between 2 square and 3 square, so we have to take 2 as 2 is the smaller one. Then 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 3, is equal to 6. And I have already said 6 is the last digit, means 2 possibility, 4 and 6, because 4 square is 36, sorry 16, and 6 square is 36. So 6 comes the last digit of these two squares. So we can say that our 4 or 6 may be the answer. But if you multiply 2 times 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6, so 6 is the number which is more than 5. I have already told, if this number, the number which comes is more than this number, then we have to take the smaller one. Or we can say that this number is less than this number, we have to take the smaller one. Just take from this way so that it would be easy for you to remember. So 4 is the answer. So in this case also 24, 1 comes in between the square of that. I will not do these things, I will directly tell, because you have remembered all these things. So 1 is between 1 square and 2 square, 1 is the smaller, take 1. 44, 1 times 1 plus 2, which is equal to 2, and 2 is a number which is greater than this number. So we have to take if it is greater than, as I've already told, if it is greater than, we have to take the number itself, which is 2. So our answer is correct. And in this way we get the answer of all this in this manner it will happen, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe the new channel and help it in growing.